Want to set your favorite song as your iPhone ringtone? You've come to the right place. Today, I'll show you how to set any song as your ringtone on an iPhone. First, make sure you have the song you want to use. It should be in your music library or saved on your device. Next, download the GarageBand app from the App Store. It's free and easy to use. Open GarageBand and create a new project. Now, tap the loop icon in the top right corner. This will let you import your song. Find your song in the Music tab. Tap and hold the song, then drag it into the tracks view. Trim the song to the part you want as your ringtone. Ringtones can be up to 30 seconds long. Once you're happy with the selection, tap the down arrow in the top left corner and choose My Songs. Tap and hold your project. Then, tap Share and choose Ringtone. Name your ringtone and tap Export. After exporting, tap Use Sound As and choose Standard Ringtone. And that's it. You've set your favorite song as your iPhone ringtone. Now you can enjoy your favorite song every time someone calls you. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.